Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about copyright, which is the legal protection given to original works of authorship, whether it's a song, a painting, a piece of software, or even a writing article. Copyrights gives the creator exclusive rights to reproduce, distribute, perform, display, or adapt their work. By understanding copyright law, you can protect your intellectual property, ensure fair compensation for your creative efforts, and avoid legal disputes. We'll delve into the intricacies of copyright law, exploring topics like fair use, licensing, and international copyright treaties. We'll also discuss about practical strategies for protecting your work, such as registering your copyright, using digital rights management, and implementing effective licensing agreements. Join us in this course as we navigate the complex world of copyright and empower you to safeguard your creative endeavors. Okay, let's understand more about how protection techniques and mechanisms for copywriting can help us. So, we'll start with a short introduction. Rights to creations. Copyright protects original works by granting authors exclusive rights to their creations. Where it is applicable? Well, applicable to physical or recorded expressions such as poems, books, films, software, music, and architectural designs. But it does not protect ideas, systems, or methods, only their tangible or expressed forms. Let's understand more about how it works. Copyright is granted automatically when a work is fixed in a tangible medium. Registration with authorities is optional, but offers legal advantages like strengthens the author's position in disputes and enables statutory damages and recovery of legal fees. In terms of time, as always, time is critical. Timely registration can help you a lot. It should be done before infringement occurs or within 2-3 months after publication. Now let's talk a bit about duration and ownership. In terms of duration, it typically lasts the creator's lifetime plus 70 years in many jurisdictions. In terms of ownership, works created by employees during employment belong to their employer. In terms of rights transfer, authors can assign or license rights, such as reproduction or distribution. As an example, musicians often transfer rights to record labels in exchange for royalties. Now, let's understand a bit more mechanisms for copyright protection. The first one is digital object identifier, which provide a unique identifier for works to ensure traceability over time. Watermarks. Embedded in works, visible or invisible, to establish ownership, watermarks are highly used, especially in photography. Conditional access. It restricts access to verified users or based on usage rights. Encryption and DRM. Encryption content to prevent unauthorized access, and DRM, which stands for Digital Rights Management, is a system that manages licenses and track usage. Labeling. Clear warnings or terms of service attached to works, example given, for non-commercial use only. In terms of international consideration, there are three parts we need to understand better. First, adoption to local laws. Copyright laws vary. Strategies must account for legal and cultural differences. Challenges. Translation issues and norms around imitation in some cultures can prove to be quite challenging. Broader IP strategy. You need to incorporate trademarks and patents for comprehensive protection. Now, let's understand about fair use, exception, and ethical considerations. Purpose of fair use allows limited use of copyrighted material without permission and balances creators' rights with public interest in innovation and knowledge sharing. Factors in determining fair use. First, we need to understand nature of the copyrighted work, factual versus creative. the purpose and character of use, commercial versus educational, portion used relative to the whole work, and impact on the market value of the original work. Last but not least, we need to think about ethical considerations. Copyright ethics balance protecting creators' rights and encouraging creativity and innovation. In general, companies should integrate copyright protection into contracts and agreements, maintain active communication with enforcement agencies. Thank you. As you've seen, copyright ensures the protection of creativity and originality. Leveraging legal tools, ethical practices, and practical strategies secures rights while promoting innovation and cultural exchange. Thank you for joining us today on this exploration of copyright law. Remember, protecting your intellectual property is crucial. By understanding your rights and responsibilities, you can ensure that your creative work is valued and respected. We've covered the basics of copyright from understanding what it protects to how to register your work. We've also discussed the importance of fair use and potential consequences of copyright infringement. As you continue your creative journey, always be mindful of copyright laws and ethical considerations. By respecting the rights of others and protecting your own, you can contribute to a thriving creative community. Thank you.